Do you know how to describe the weather in English? Let's learn the most common weather words together. Sunny. Sunny. It is sunny today. Rainy. Rainy. The weather is rainy this afternoon. Cloudy. Cloudy. It looks cloudy outside. Stormy. Stormy. The sky is stormy tonight. Windy. Windy. It is very windy near the coast. Snowy. Snowy. The road is snowy and slippery. Foggy. Foggy. The town was foggy this morning. Hail. Hail. Hail fell on the cars yesterday. Thunder. Thunder. I heard thunder during the night. Lightning. Lightning. Lightning flashed across the sky. Breeze. Breeze. A light breeze is blowing. Hurricane. Hurricane. The hurricane caused huge damage. Tornado. Tornado. A tornado touched down in the field. Blizzard. Blizzard. The blizzard made travel unsafe. Frost. Frost. There was frost on the window. Heat wave. Heat wave. A heat wave is hitting the country. Drizzle. Drizzle. It started to drizzle softly. Downpour. Downpour. There was a sudden downpour. Overcast. Overcast. The sky is completely overcast today. Humid. Humid. It feels very humid outside. Dry. Dry. The weather is dry and warm. 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 It is warm today compared to yesterday. Cold. Cold. The water is too cold to swim in. Freezing. Freezing. The temperature is below freezing. Chilly. Chilly. It feels chilly in the morning. Mild. Mild. The climate here is mild all year. Icy. Icy. The sidewalk is icy, be careful. Flood. Flood. The flood destroyed many homes. Rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow appeared after the rain. Shower. Shower. A light shower passed over the area. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is approaching soon. Gale. Gale. A strong gale blew last night. Monsoon. Monsoon. The monsoon season brings heavy rain. Meteorologist. Meteorologist. The meteorologist predicted rain. Forecast. Forecast. The weather forecast says it will snow. Temperature. Temperature. The temperature dropped quickly. Celsius. Celsius. The thermometer shows 10 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. It is 80 degrees Fahrenheit today. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. The atmosphere looks calm today. Climate. Climate. The climate here is tropical. Season. Season. Winter is my favorite season. Air pressure. Air pressure. The air pressure is falling rapidly. Dew. Dew. Dew covered the grass in the morning. UV index. UV index. The UV index is very high today. Forecasting. Forecasting. Weather forecasting has improved a lot. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. Tomorrow will be partly cloudy. Heat. Heat. The heat in summer can be intense. Cool. Cool. The evening air feels cool. Gust. Gust. A sudden gust of wind shook the door. Sunshine. Sunshine. We enjoyed the warm sunshine all day. Awesome. Now you can talk about the weather. Next, let's learn family words in English.